Good morning, guys. Like you can tell that I just woke up. My hair looks crazy. I was just going to wash my face and my hair's kind of greasy. I think I want to put some hair oil in for a little bit. This is the hair oil that I use. There's a hair on it. And I just have this little scalp thingy. And then I just massage all over my head. I try to make sure that I get all around the ends because I have a big forehead, so I'm trying to like stimulate hair growth. And then I try to let this sit for 30 minutes at least. I ended up changing into this sweatshirt because I like it so much better. But I don't have work today, so I'm gonna make pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies, which I'm actually really excited for because I don't normally make fall desserts. Oh. I'm switching to a bigger bowl because I feel like it'll work better. I did the best that I could. I messed up somewhere along the way. Let's hope that it's still good.
It seems soft.
It's actually really soft. It doesn't taste that much like pumpkin though. It tastes more like cinnamon and sugar.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yummy?
Yeah.
You don't like cinnamon either.
Oh, that's good.
I kind of want to make it again, but put more pumpkin in it.
Just double it.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I started this new acne treatment and my skin is purging pretty badly. I'm just trying to do my makeup really quickly because I need to go run errands with Kevin before it gets too late. I know that we're gonna go grocery shopping. I'm not sure if we're gonna have time to do anything else because we're planning to go to St. Louis today and do grocery shopping. So we'll see what happens. I do have to do my makeup really quickly though, so I wasn't really planning on filming it. I'll see you guys as soon as my makeup is done. This is the finished makeup. And now I need to go do my hair because my bangs look crazy. What is this? We don't have that much to grab because Costco's really expensive, but we're probably gonna go to a bunch of other stores. So good.
Oh shit.
Okay, so we just got back from grocery shopping and I wanted to show you guys some of the things we got because I wasn't really able to film because we go to a lot of stores and it's always like really busy and packed. So we went to Trader Joe's and I literally bought so much stuff for making focaccia sandwiches. Focaccia. Prosciutto, the bread. We have burrata cheese because it tastes so much better with burrata than mozzarella. Tomatoes, and then also some arugula to go with it. And then of course we have pesto. I also got some pumpkin gnocchi because I've never had this specific one from Trader Joe's before, but I remember when I first started college and I had like butternut squash gnocchi with, I think it was like brown butter sauce or something, but it was literally the best gnocchi I've ever had in my life. So I want to try remaking it, which I also got sage so I could try and make this. And then I also got this purple blend juice. This tastes so good and all of their power blends are actually 0 sugar, so I'm trying to not drink as much sugar. And then I also bought so much yogurt because they were on sale. I wanted to try a couple different ones and then also get some of the ones that I know that I like, but I have to go put away groceries now and then decide if I'm gonna eat something for dinner or maybe just make a yogurt bowl. I don't know where.
You just want to
I also heated up this little plate of food that Kevin's mom gave us. Hello. So we were planning to go to the farmer's market today, but apparently it's Oktoberfest, so it was super packed and we weren't able to find parking. So we're gonna go and try out this new Filipino place instead. I don't think it's actually new, but it's new for us. And we're gonna try their ube matcha latte. Cause there are really not that many places that actually sell matcha lattes around here, and this one looks better than all the other pictures I've seen. So hopefully it tastes good. But it tastes good.
That's coffee.
Oh, I thought it was matcha. Yeah, that's yummy. This one is so ginormous. I didn't know it was gonna have cheese on it.
It tastes like a cheese Danish to me.
Yeah.
Automatic.
It doesn't taste that sweet at all. It tastes more savory than sweet.
Look at pieces.
You want to show the
Why
camera?
are you dangling it?
Hazelnut beignets.
Wait, this smells like Parmesan. Oh,
I actually like that.
frosting.
Straight up like espresso chocolate.
Mm.
You may cut this one or you want to tear it?
Oh, shit.
This one is super rich.
Yeah.
The hazelnut. I don't know if I can eat more
I
than
want
that.
the ube.
This one is the matcha flat croissant.
We just have a sugar run through my spine.
That's the matcha one, right?
Why does it look like that?
Looks like someone dipped a hash brown in,
Hash brown.
That's what I wanted.
oh yeah?
Really?
Why?
Because I was like, I looked at it, I'm like, that's gonna be so much just crisp texture. That's all I wanted was crispy.
It's actually already 9 p.m., but I wanted to try and get a little bit of studying done. I mentioned it a couple of videos ago, but I've been trying to take like IT classes, and I was looking at the curriculum for actual classes at a community college near me, and honestly, I did not think I was prepared. So I'm taking a Coursera class, and I'm doing that pretty much every day for at least like 20-30 minutes. But I've been trying to study IT, I've been trying to do a little bit of Japanese, and then also do better in Korean as well. But I'm starting to feel really lazy, so I'm gonna try and film myself studying to make myself feel more motivated. I feel like filming myself doing my studying or anything important always motivates me to be more productive, and I know some people might think that's weird, but that's like the thing that works best for me is like telling someone I'm gonna do something and then also filming it, so I'm holding myself accountable. And I'm probably only gonna do like 5 lessons, so it might be less than 20 minutes, but I just want to be able to at least do a little bit today.